Welcome to the video. I'm so excited to be drawing a bathtub scene with you today. This is a great way to relax and be creative. Before we get started, gather your supplies: paper, colors, crayon, sketch pen for beautiful drawing. Now, let's start drawing. First draw big C alphabet like this, which will be base of bathtub. Now join both the corner of C to make outline of bathtub. We need water in bathtub, so for this we'll add spout and faucet to bathtub borderline. Here comes water droplets from faucet. Along with water for bathing, we need shower gel, soap and sponge. So let's add these accessories to our drawing. Now, let's draw a window for ventilation. We will cover that window with curtains hanging on iron rod like this. It looks nice, no? After bathing, we need towel to dry ourselves. So we'll place towel here and bathtub scenery is done. Wow. Now it's coloring time, which I like the most. First, we will cover bathtub with blue and green. Then comes turn of faucet and spout to get colored. I think orange faucet and blue spout looks nice. What say? Let's color the curtain. Iron rod with light green and curtain with pink and orange hearts. Finally, we'll color the towel with red and yellow. This completes our bathtub scene. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe.